In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a contact form in just 2 minutes. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So let's dive in our WordPress backend and start building our contact form in just 2 minutes. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and if we take a look at the front end of our website, this is how it looks. We have a SaaS digital agency service template, and we have already covered in our previous video about how we created this website in just 10 minutes. So if you want to learn how we can create a complete website in just 10 minutes without touching a line of code, you can watch the video linked in the I button above and in the video description below. So here in this website, we have a contact page. If we click here, we have a contact form. Now, there are various ways by which you can add a contact form. There are various plugins which can help you create your contact form. And if in case you want to create some highly advanced and sophisticated form, then you can use some paid plugins. But right now we are only concerned about how we can create a form fast and easily. So for that, let's go ahead and edit this page. So right now we are inside the Gutenberg editor. And if you remember from the last video, we have already installed the Cadence blocks plugin. And this is the best part of this plugin. At free of cost, you will get some amazing Gutenberg blocks that you can use to create any kind of website. And one of that amazing block is the contact form. Here we have just added the Gutenberg form and this is how it looks. So all you have to do is just add a block. So you can search one from here. If we search for form, so here is the Gutenberg block from Cadence that you can use to create a form. And once you add that, this is how your form looks like. And in order to do any changes in the fields or in the setting of this form, you will see the option here under blocks. We have the first name setting. So you can play around with the text type and you can mark this as required. And you can also enter the field label, or if you want, you can also hide this field label, or for the placeholder as well. If you want, you can enter any text or remove it completely. And here it's the column width. If we set this to 100%, this will occupy the whole row. The next field will drop below this. So we will keep this to 50%. And in the same way, we can add many fields as we like. And if we scroll down, here is the most important part: actions after submit. So if we click here, here are some options that you can use for this form. So under free version of this plugin, we can use email, redirect, MailerLite. All these options are available with the free Cadence blocks. So right now, all we want is that if someone fills this form, the admin or the website owner should get an email. And that's the option we need to select here. And once that is selected, we need to scroll down and here we have email settings. So this is the email to address where you want to send this email to. And after that, we have the email subject. What should be the email subject that you are sending? And here is the from email address, so that you will have a particular from email ID. And below that, we have a from name. Below that, we have an important field of reply to. So by selecting email field, you will be able to reply the email and it will take the email address of the visitor that they enter here. After that, you can also add a CC or BCC here. Below this, we have basic CAPTCHA filter and you can also add Google reCAPTCHA as well. So let me just fill up all these details and then we will test this form. Alright, so after filling up all the details that we have just covered, now let's go ahead and test this form. So here we have filled up the form with some sample details and now let's click on submit and see if that goes through. Alright, it says submit successful and let's see if we get the email. And this is the email that we got. So this is how easy it is to create a contact form on your WordPress website within just 2 minutes. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.